also part of the camper life. Not work at all anymore. Look what happened today. But there is no. Hi guys. We found a dog on the street. I mean, we found many dogs on the street, but this one seemed very hungry. She is very skinny and she has something with her paw. This was almost full. She ate it in like, I don't know, 3 seconds. So we decided to take her with us. We are on our way to search a sleeping place and she will come with us. Good morning! This night this dog was sleeping with us. We named her Sky, by the way. So meet Sky. Hi! Hi Sky! We already put something against fleas on her. But actually her fur looks quite okay. I don't think that she was for a long time on the street. Probably abandoned only a few weeks ago. But enough weeks to be very skinny. On the video you can see because she has this fur that hides it a little bit, but she is really skinny. But no matter what happened and no matter the fact that we saved this pretty girl, we also found a very nice sleeping spot. I will show you this view. So, we stayed 2 nights at this super beautiful spot. Yesterday was Sunday, we couldn't go to the veterinary with Sky for her hip, so we will go there today and that's why we decided to stay here a little longer. Now we have to leave because the only water that we got left is in this bottle and here in this, I don't know how you say it, for the dogs. So yeah, we really need to go search water. We found a water spot, so we stopped to fill up our water and then we will go to the veterinary. We are back from the veterinary. Unfortunately, her x-rays are very bad. She needs an amputation. Most probably she got hit by a car and she had a fracture in both legs and her column was completely at the wrong place. But one leg healed, the other one healed as well, but unfortunately it healed very bad. Today is the day where Sky will have her amputation and we hope that everything goes well. Harsh night when Sky was crying a lot out of pain, I asked some friends of mine if they know another painkiller that I can give Sky more often. Sky, by the way, is in this box there. And then they told me that the painkillers that the vet in Deva gave me actually is toxic. And now we are on our way to get Medox that will not kill Sky. At the moment the Transalpina is pretty much only this. I'm expecting more, but I think it will be prettier at some point. It is already kind of late. We tried to find a sleeping place, but to the left and to the right of the road it goes straight up or straight down, so we can't really go off-road. But I think that at some point we will find a sleeping place. I just hope it will not take too long. I want to show you this because this is also part of the camper life. My generator, who has problems since some time now, decided to not work at all anymore. So this is my first battery, the car battery, that should be at 12.5 volt. It is, as you can see, only at 11.5. The second battery for the interior lights and everything is at 9.5 volts. It should be at 12.5 too. Yeah, today was not a successful day. We put this cage inside of the room to separate Sky from Bamboo during the night. Nakila, by the way, is sleeping up there because I know Bamboo and he is the most clumsy little boy on earth, and I'm sure that if we don't separate him from Sky, he will just walk straight on her wound. So after this very annoying day yesterday, where plans didn't go as we wanted to, I thought that today can only be better. But guys, look what happened today. The coffee machine exploded. I have never seen this. It just exploded on my camper. Oh my god. Please, someone help. By the way, it exploded on the dogs. So the dogs were not very amused. This is on the top of the Transalpina. So we finally are at the more beautiful place of the Transalpina. It was time. We were searching desperately for a camping place on the Transalpina, but there is no. So now our generator, is giving up completely. So we'll just change it on this parking. Okay guys, it's the moment of truth. Are you ready? Oh my god, I'm so afraid. Oh no! So the battery is still empty, of course. So we will charge it and then the car will start. Oh my god, this is so much tension. Okay, we are ready. And it is working! We changed the generator and now we are going further on the Transalpina. We still didn't see a lot, actually, only the lake. And I'm curious to see what the Transalpina will hold for us. So guys, the behind the scene of the filming is that the drone followed me and then flew into a tree. So now we are walking on the street, going to catch the drone.